The most popular leather sofa isn't always the best, that's what I learned the hard way. Everyone assumes bestseller means best quality, but when you actually sit on these things, the story changes fast. Let's cut through the noise and find what really works. Product number 1, ANARACHON Leather Look Slipcover. This ANARACHON 8-piece recliner slipcover in chocolate caught my eye because it's not a sofa, it's a transformation. For under $100, you're getting a leather-like cover that slips over your existing 3-seater recliner. The 85% polyester, 15% spandex blend feels surprisingly soft and breathable, not plasticky like cheaper covers. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It protects against pet claws, spills, and daily wear while giving your couch a high-end leather appearance. The non-slip edges and included guide paper make installation shockingly easy. I had it on in under 10 minutes. It fits couches 72 to 93 wide, and machine washing means no stress over stains. With 0 reviews, it's flying under the radar, but the material quality genuinely surprised me. Now some people might complain that it's not real leather, and they'd be right. It's a cover, not a replacement. But here's the thing, if your frame is solid and you just need a fresh look, this delivers way more value than spending $1,000+ on a new sofa. The only real downside, it won't fix sagging cushions or structural issues. This is perfect for you if you've got a decent recliner that just looks tired. Skip this one if you're after luxury or long-term durability. This is a smart refresh, not a forever solution. For under $100, it's a steal. Product number 2, Ashley Shadspurn Faux Leather Sleeper. The signature design by Ashley Shadspurn is a rustic-style faux leather sofa sleeper with a queen memory foam mattress, and it's built like a tank. At 204 pounds, this thing isn't moving once it's in place. The nailhead trim and roll arms give it a classic look, while the bifold mattress makes it practical for guests. If you want a stylish sofa that doubles as a reliable guest bed, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The memory foam mattress is actually comfortable, not the thin, lumpy pad some sleepers come with. The high resiliency foam cushions wrapped in poly fiber hold their shape, and the corner-blocked frame feels solid. It fits through 32 doorways, which helps during delivery. With no assembly needed, you can use it right out of the box. Now, some people might complain about the faux leather feeling stiff at first, and that's true. It takes a few weeks to break in. But here's the thing, it's designed for heavy use and the material gets softer over time without piling. The only real flaw, no price listed, means you'll have to call or check in store, which is annoying. This is perfect for you if you host guests often and want something durable with a traditional look. Skip this one if you're in a tiny apartment, it's big and heavy. For the build quality and included mattress, it's a solid value. Product number 3, Naomi Home L-Shape Sleeper Sectional. The Naomi Home L-Shape Sectional Sleeper is a modern multitasker, pull-out bed, hidden storage, USB ports, and a sleek black air leather finish. It's designed for small spaces that need big function. The pull-out bed slides smoothly and the chaise lifts up to reveal a deep storage compartment. If you want a sectional that does it all without looking cluttered, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The USB ports are placed smartly, not on the front where they're ugly, but on the side for easy access. The 700-pound weight limit means it can handle real daily use, and the air leather resists scratches better than traditional faux leather. Assembly is DIY-friendly with clear instructions and tools included, plus a 90-day warranty adds peace of mind. Now some people might complain about the seat depth. 44 inches is deep, which is great for lounging but could feel overwhelming in a small room. But here's the thing, that depth is what makes it comfortable for sleeping and relaxing. The only real downside, air leather can feel cooler in winter and warmer in summer compared to real leather. This is perfect for you if you live in a studio or small apartment and need guest space, storage, and modern style. Skip this one if you hate assembling furniture. It comes in 2 boxes and takes about an hour. For the features and build, it's a strong contender. Product number 4, Furinno Brive Tufted Loveseat. The Furinno Brive is a compact 54-inch tufted loveseat in black faux leather, simple, stylish, and built for small spaces. It's not trying to be anything it's not. A solid two-seater with a sturdy wood frame and supportive cushions. If you want a clean, modern loveseat that won't break the bank or take over your room, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 23.5-inch seat depth and 15.5-inch seat height are just right, not too deep, not too low. The tufted design adds visual interest without being fussy, and the tapered legs protect your floors. It supports up to 550 pounds, so it's not flimsy. Assembly is straightforward with included hardware and instructions. Now, some people might complain that the seat height feels a bit low, especially if you're tall or have back issues. But here's the thing. That lower profile gives it a relaxed, loungy feel that works great in bedrooms or cozy corners. The only real flaw, it's a loveseat, so don't expect to fit 3 people comfortably. This is perfect for you if you need seating for 2 in a bedroom, office, or small living area. Skip this one if you want a sleeper or storage features. It's just a loveseat. For under $300 estimated, it's a budget-friendly win. Product number 5, Modway Restore Vegan Leather Sectional. The Modway Restore is a 4-piece vegan leather sectional in tan, minimalist, modular, and surprisingly luxurious. With French piping, clean lines, and a broad profile, it's designed for modern homes that value both style and comfort. Each piece connects securely, and the non-marking foot caps protect floors. If you want a high-end look with eco-conscious materials, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 100% faux leather is soft to the touch and resists fading, while the pocket coil spring system and dense foam padding offer real support, not just surface-level comfort. You can configure it in multiple layouts so it adapts as your space changes. Each piece holds 440 pounds, so it's built to last. Now, some people might complain about the tan color showing dirt, and that's fair. Light colors need more upkeep. But here's the thing, the material is easy to wipe clean, and the modular design means you can rotate or replace pieces if needed. The only real downside, no price listed, so you'll need to check directly. This is perfect for you if you want a customizable, stylish sectional for a living room or open-plan space. Skip this one if you have messy kids or pets and can't commit to maintenance. For the design and build quality, it's a premium choice. So which one wins? The ANARACHON slipcover for budget makeovers, the Ashley for classic sleeper function, Naomi Home for small space multitasking, Furinno for compact style, and Modway for modern luxury. None are perfect, but each shines in its own way. Think about your space, needs, and lifestyle. The best sofa isn't the fanciest, it's the one that fits your life.